What is Power Query? Let's understand. It's a platform to extract data from any data source, transform and load data into Power BI in-memory database. Example transformations like union, merge, sort, search, etc. Here it is, data sources. From there we have get data. From get data, you see Power Query. This Power Query is the platform for extracting the data, perform transformations, and load data into the canvas for further reporting activities. Once our report is ready, we are going to serve it in the cloud or serve it to reports our users. So what operations we can perform in Power Query?